Yeah, 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 yeah. Aus der XP. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang. Huwag kang magpakaibang, dapat ay itawan lang. Ang problema sa babae, dapat iniinda. Hayaan mo silang mag-apol sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat ka
What's up, internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, gagawa na naman ako ng panibagong tutorial because kagabi nakapag-upload ako ng cover and bumaha na naman yung comment section ko na tutorial ate. So, ayun, since mabait naman ako at mahal ko kayo, gagawa ako ng tutorial! Yay! So, without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Hayaan mo Sila by Battalion. So for this tutorial, may ginawa akong 4 na chord progression. So the first chord progression is the original one. The second one is my version, yung in-upload ko kagabi. Kung di nyo pa napakinggan nyo, please check that card out there, somewhere there. So pindutin nyo yan. And the third version, and the third and the fourth, ito yung mga chord progression na easy chords lang. Yung para talaga sa mga beginners. Yung mga C, A minor, F, J, ganun yung mga chord progression. And yeah. So, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Yung original ba, yung pitch ko sa version ko, yung third and fourth na mga pang beginners. So, ayun. So, para sa original, yung chords is F, tapos D minor, tapos A sharp or B flat, the same lang yun. Yung A sharp is sa guitar yun, B flat sa ukulele, pero the same lang yung tunog niya. Tapos C. Again, F, D minor, A sharp or B flat, tapos C. Tapos yung pangalawang chord progression is yun yung version ko. Yung ginamit ng chords ko dun is D sharp or E flat, tapos C minor, tapos G sharp or A flat, and A sharp or B flat. Yun yung pangalawa. And for the third chord progression, ito yung para pang beginners. C, A minor, F, G. Tapos yung pang-apat is for beginners pa rin. G, tapos E minor, tapos C, and D. So, as I have said earlier, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Yung version 1, 2, 3, or 4. And for this strumming pattern, may ginawa akong 1, 2, 3, tatlong strumming pattern. So, depende na din sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. The first strumming pattern is more on, choking. Choking, ano nga yung meaning ng choking? Search natin. Yeah. Yung choking is a technique of blocking the strings with the fleshy part of your right palm to create a percussive sound. So, ayun yung choking. Iba yung mute, iba yung choking. Kasi yung mute, wala talaga siyang tunog. Parang binablock mo yung vibrations ng strings para wala siyang sound. Yung choking is parang ganun. Yung sound niya. Ganun. So, the first strumming pattern is down, up, chock, chock, up, down. So, diba, usually, kung nanonood ka man sa mga tutorials ko, diba, minsan may X, D, U, X, down, up, tapos yung X, minsan mute. Pero sa tutorial na to, X stands for chock. Okay? Chock. Down, up, chock, chock, up, down. So, gagamitin ko lang yung, for beginners na chords. C, A minor, F, and G. Okay? Ganun yung chock. Parang down, up, ganun. Parang i-ganun nyo yung kuko nyo. I-block nyo siya na, pero pag ganun yung kuko nyo. Ganun. Kung di nyo man naintindihan yung pinagsasabi ko dito, i-search nyo lang sa YouTube kasi maraming tutorials about how to chock your ukulele. So, isa yan sa mga technique. Down, up, pa-muting, and chocking. So, ayun. Diba? Down is using your index, your index nail nga. Tapos, yung, up is using your thumb. Ito namang chocking, parang i-block nyo siya, tapos i-ganon nyo yung kuko nyo. Okay? Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down. Down, up, chuck, up, down. So, ayun. Yun yung first strumming pattern. Tapos, yung pangalawang strumming pattern is, madali lang to siya. Down, up, and chuck. Down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck. Ayun. For the entire song. So, magiging ganito siya. Okay lang to siya sa mga beginners. Kasi yung super beginners pa talaga. Tapos, pero, etong strumming pattern na to, bagay ito siya sa intro eh. Pang-intro lang to siya. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige malibang, huwag ka magpakaibang, dapat ay itawa lang, problema sa lalaki, dapat ininda. So, yun yung pangalawang strumming pattern. And for the third strumming pattern, ito yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So, magiging ganito siya. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige magliba. Ay, mali, A minor pala. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige magliba. Huwag ka magkaibang, dapat ay itawa lang, problema sa lalaki, dapat ay ininda. So, yun yung third strumming pattern. So, ayun nga, 3 lang naman yun. Akala ko 4. 3 nga lang. So, kung gusto nyo baguhin yung strumming pattern, depende naman sa inyo yun. And, also, kung ayaw nyo na gamitin yung mga strumming patterns na tinuro ko dito, depende naman sa inyo yun. Pwede naman na gamitin nyo siyang acoustic, reggae, 'di ba? So, ayun. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang, huwag ka magpagkahibang, dapat ay itawa lang. So, pwede siyang gawin na ganun. Tapos, gawin nga natin siya. Depende na yun sa, sa style nyo. So, that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope na naintindihan nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito. And if you want more tutorials like this, just click the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong uploads and live stream ko. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And kung may mga tanong kayo tungkol dito, suggestions, comments about this video, please drop it down in the comment section below. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.